The Prism fume extraction system is an all-in-one fume extractor with automatically cleaning vertical filters. This video will take you through the steps necessary in order to change the filters. It's important to wear the appropriate personal protective equipment when performing maintenance on the filters. For your convenience and safety, disposal bags and a dust mask are provided with the replacement filters. To begin, press the Start-Stop fan button. Next, turn the main power switch on the side of the control panel to the off position. Be sure to adhere to the proper lockout/tagout procedures for your facility. Place an appropriate stool or ladder in front of the unit so that the filters can be removed at eye level. Unlock and open the filter door. Unhook the filter clasps by pressing them up and towards the center and then down and away from one another. This will disengage the filters from the unit. Remove the front filter by pulling it straight towards you along the filter rails. Properly dispose of the dirty filters in the bags provided and according to your local regulations. Remove the rear filter by sliding it towards you along the filter rails in the same fashion that the front filter was removed. Repeat the filter removal steps for the other filter banks of the unit. In order to clean the steel dust bin, disengage the rim latch holding the lid in place. Move the lid aside and roll the drum out on the trolley. Remove the bag from the dust bin and dispose of it according to your local regulations. Replace the bag with the recommended 30-gallon heavy-duty trash bag and roll the bin back into place. Replace the lid and engage the rim latch. To install the new filters, first slide the rear filters all the way to the back of the unit on the filter rails. Then, slide the front filters on the filter rails until they touch the rear filters. Engage the replacement filters by reconnecting the filter clasps. If the filters have been placed on the filter rails correctly, the filter rails will lift the replacement filters into the proper position, ensuring the proper seal needed for operation. Once the replacement filters have been installed, close and lock the filter door. Next, turn the main power switch to the on position and press the Start-Stop fan button on the front of the unit to restore operation. The filter replacement is now complete. If you need additional assistance, please contact us at any time.